Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to the blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the MacBook Neo here, and of course in today's guide, in terms of the MacBook Neo, I'll be showing you how to close and open applications. All right, so of course if you're new to the Mac, this is a basic tutorial as how to do the process. All right, so first of all, we're going to go ahead and launch a app. As you can see here, we have Safari. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Safari. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select Safari. Here we go. It was open already. Now, of course, once you launch Safari, it should open up as seen here. Now you'll know it's open because once you look at Safari down here, you'll see that there's a dot beneath Safari indicating that it's open. Now, of course, if I go here and close in terms of Safari, there you go. You might think that it's completely closed, but it's actually not. It's only has removed it from the main screen and it's ready. So if I tap again, it will reappear. Now, how do you completely close Safari? Now, there are two ways to do this. First of all, I can hover over the Safari with the cursor. You're going to use two fingers and you're going to tap the touchpad. Once you tap the touchpad, you're going to see the option here that says quit. So you're going to go ahead and quit. Give it a second. There you go. Safari is now completely closed. Let me relaunch it afresh. Notice that the dot beneath it is gone. And of course, if I relaunch, there you go. Safari is now open again. You can tell by the dot. Now there's a secondary way to close Safari in case you want to completely close it. Go ahead and tap on Safari up here. Notice Safari there. And of course, we're going to hit quit Safari here. All right, so if you use quit Safari, it will completely close it, and you can see again that it's completely closed. So those are the two ways to close your apps once they're open on your MacBook Neo. All right, so we're going to try with a app that I've downloaded from previously. Now, if you go to apps right here, which is the second option, go ahead and tap. Here I have the app Canva. Now, of course, Canva is installed locally here. So if I tap on Canva, notice it will launch Canva. I am not logged in. However, it will still be able to do what I need to do. So for Canva, if I hit close, notice that action did not close it as Canva is still here. So Canva is not a system app such as Safari, which is built in. So it appears over here. It's not pinned to the taskbar. So it will appear just over here. So if you look right here, you'll notice that Canva has a dot beneath it, meaning it's not closed. All right, so in order to do the same thing, we can actually right click. There we have the option to quit. Or of course, because it's open, it will show up here in the upper left, hit Canva and hit quit Canva. There you go. Now there's no dot beneath Canva and it's in my recent apps here. It shows that Canva is there. And as I said, it applies to every app, so you can actually go ahead and test this out on your most popular apps. That's the way to fully close them. All right, so that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.